got some motherfucking design on right now.
Hi guys! So ngayon is ako ay magkakayas dahil it's our first day of tour. So swimsuit na ako. Kasi ang pupuntahan is beach. Yun ang mga sardines run, 39 counter, yung mga ganun. Tapos, magsiswimsuit na. After that, nagka-canyoneering na kami. So, prepare na ako. So, yan. Ako yung nakaayos na din. Ayos ko yung gamit. Dahil ako inilipat ng room. So, time check is 3:43. So, nakapang swimsuit na ako. And, hindi ko ito dadalhin kasi hindi daw siya advisable dun sa canyoneering. Kasi ito kasi is sensitive itong gimbal niya. So, gagamitin ko yung phone ko kasi almost same quality lang naman sila. Kaya, medyo ano lang ako ngayon. Keme-keme lang. Kasi more on picture tayo ngayon. So, alis na ako kasi ang pick-up time is 4 AM. So, magpo-4 na. So, dapat yung driver is nandun na dun. So, yun lang. Kayas ako ng gamit and good to go na. Okay, I'm leaving now. So, asa baba na daw sila kuya. Outfit check. Naka-trekking sandals na ako. Dahil, yan. Dahil, mamaya is puro trekking yan, alam ko. Sisid-sisid kineme. So, taas ko 28 floor. Here we go.
Ma'am Ira po?
Opo.
Wala. Ano po sa inyo, ma'am? Tuwan lang sa inyo?
Tuwan po.
Oo. Iba kasi agency mo.
Aray. Canyoneering na first. So, pupunta na kami doon. Time check is
8. Kulang pa.
Yeah.
Oh, mana po?
Bayawan.
Ano yato
Ay, kanina mo.
Ate, tabi na lang tayo.
Sakay kami. Agoy, ito ginoo.
Wait lang.
Udahan kami, boss.
Let's go.
Tangon rin na ito.
Dito kami sa pinaka-orientation.
Unexpect 3 to 4 hours of trekking, jumping off cliffs, swimming, sliding in rocks, scrambling of fire breathtaking canyon. So from here, you will walk 30 to 45 minutes going to the first jump.
Nag-briefing sa Saan daw? May zipline pala. For the lakad lang. We bring two days.
Sakay ulit kuya or dito na?
Dito na yan.
Maglalakad sir? Maglakad.
Maglalakad. Ano, maglalakad na daw? Scented ka na ate. Picturean. Picture. Punta na kami sa... Ano daw, ilang minutes lakad? 30 to 45, no? Yes! May libre sila neto.
Dapat tatalon lahat.
Tatalong ka din.
Tatalon lang kung may sila. May golden rules kami dito eh. No jump, no lunge.
Ganun ba yun?
Option, sipa, tsaya, tulak. Kita niyo yung isla na yan. Kabila.
Negros.
Diyan kami dalawa.
Negros?
Yung no jump, no lunge.
45 minutes.
Saan mo boyfriend mo? Tama boyfriend mo? Hindi po. May trabaho?
Pa-share kuya.
I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck.
What?
Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Here's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words.
After nito, kawasan. Mag-ano tayo ma? Tawag doon? Baong gold. Kaya mo yun. Dito nga lang 7-Eleven.
Almost same lang talaga. Daming mogo-mogo.
Galing na, pwede utang.
26 din?
Ha?
6 months?
Saan yun kuya dun sa pinag-ano namin? Dun yung babayaran.
Hindi ba bayan? Isa sa lalayang pangalan ko dito.
Wala mo yan.
Let's go.
Wala. Let's go.
Okay?
Kaway ka.
Abit namin ng camera, ma'am. Araw-araw. Sinuto.
Hindi na camera side.
Yan.
Parang hindi naman nasisay si kuya.
Araw-araw.
Wala yan sa buka mo.
Nahihiya.
Oo.
Dinadala mo. Puro tanong.
Tapos sagot mo na, ma'am.
Bakit naman?
Wow.
Hindi lang.
Doon lahat din yan.
Chicken roaster.
Comedy ka talaga.
Pwede na ihawon.
Pwede na to pang sabong. Anong manok ka ba? Going to Kawasan Falls. Pagigiunggoy na. Na?
I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Running down to the dark, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Yeah, I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Survive. Canyoneering. Malapit ng Malobat. Pinalpas yung ako. Saya yan.
Saya.
Doon na tayo sa ano. Saan ba yun? Sa may sardine roll. Ay, si kuya. Thanks, kuya. Going to lunch na. Kasi anong oras
Kaya
na.
ka pala ma'am, wala kayong problema sa pork? Sa Korean.
Okay. Going to Sardines Run.
Isang tao lang.
Pagod ka na, te.
Yes. Yung mukha ko, pulang-pula
Saya
na.
ba kayo sa ano? Kanina rin?
Yes, may thrill.
Buhay.
Babalik.
Hey.
Babalik daw sila. Ako din.
Hindi ba kukumpleto kasi pag
Okay.
wala naman kailangan. Kanina rin kayo.
Going to Sardine Shrine. After this hearing, sobrang worth it na nakakapagod. Yung tour guide namin ang galing. So, ngayon, nakaswimsuit na. Nagsiswimming naman kami sa mga sardines and
Nasa ibang ano mo, ibang lugar ako. Talagang
ang saya, worth it.
walang kita ko yung
Worth it yung bayad. Kahit dapat ready ka kasi sasakit ng katawan mo kapag pinagtan. So, punta natin doon sa Ardecious, mag-i-snorkeling. Kaya, medyo ano-ano.
dito sa ano, dito sa
After nun, uwi na. Pag-lunch na rin kami. Pagod yun. Babalik na kami guys. And sobrang lakas ng ulan. Kita niyo naman. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. At hindi ko na-video yung kanina kasi hindi na kami pinagdala ng phone. So, kasi kaya hindi kami pinagdala ng phone is dire-diretso na yung activity namin dun sa snorkeling. So, ipapakita ko na lang yung ibang clips kung saan kung ano yung mga ginawa namin doon. Ang ganda. So, eto po. So, yun guys, yung mga nangyari sa amin today. And pauwi, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Kaya, hindi ko na masyadong na-record. So, nag-aayos na ako kasi kailangan ko na magpahinga. Siguro, ang pinaka-maayos na pahinga ko na sa sasakyan. Kasi parang ang mangyayari is iidlip lang ako dito. Bumalik lang para kumuha ng gamit. Kasi babalik na naman ako dun sa may ano kasi kami bukas. Oslo. So, yung mga watching whale shark. So, yun naman ang last activity natin. So, yun. Nag-aayos na ako kasi ang pick-up time ko mamaya is 2 a.m. Patayan tong Cebu tour na to eh. Then after nun, i-update ko na kayo. Mag-aayos lang ako. Matutulog lang ako ng mga 1 oras. Tapos, susunduin na ako ng 2 a.m. I need to pack up na rin for tomorrow. Okay? So, see you tomorrow!